should be the last step of the process. We're going to drive that in, get that knurled end in there, nice and expand it. Looks like I should be able to reach it, which makes me happy. And looks pretty good from here. The helicoil looks like it's all the way in. Getting off some of this excess silicone. And having never done this before, and as always, having no idea what I'm doing, I can't really say 100% that it looks correct, but it looks pretty good. It's nice and flush with the cylinder head. I'm gonna maybe take just a couple more smacks on that. Don't want to overdo it, but certainly don't want it to pop out. So here we go, a couple more smacks. And we're going to stick with that right there. Got to wait about 24 hours. Let that silicone get nice and right. And that was really hoping it works, but that was really a pretty darn easy job. I don't know what it would cost to get that done. I've only had a helicoil done once. It was on my boat motor. And I know even way back then it was a bit of money. We're talking a long, long time ago. But for 40 bucks for the kit, maybe 4 more for the silicone, just a couple of tools, a ratchet, 5/8 socket wrench, ratchet wrench and a 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, and it seems like it's pretty well good to go. Little dab of oil on the tap. And so we're going to hope that tomorrow I'm going to fire this back up and it's all going to be good to go. We'll check back with you then. Thanks again for joining me, the guy who has no idea what he's doing, on another venture. And we hope to see you back here sometime soon. Thanks.